In this video, we are going to take a look in our e-library and how we're going to use it. So let's get started. In your browser, simply log on to tinyurl.com/CAHSLibrary1998. As soon as the website has finished loading, this is what we're going to see in the home page. Next, we're going to explore the circulation section. By the way, these materials or resources are arranged according to the Dewey Decimal Classification System, but only the subject area. You will notice that there are other subjects that has no resources uploaded, but sooner it will be available in our e-library. Next one to explore is the general reference section. Just like what we have mentioned in the circulation section, the resources will be available soon. Let's proceed to your favorite part of the e-library. It's the fiction section. Here, you'll find your favorite books and novels classified according to reading genres. Another important section of the e-library is the Filipiniana section. Here, you will find the collections that are very important to our cultural heritage and history. We also have the vertical file collection. Here, you will find the different newspaper clippings of some relevant articles that would be helpful in your next research project. It will be uploaded soon in our e-library. Our e-library is not complete without instructional materials, some additional resources such as open educational resources, Parents Corner, Book Lovers Club, and many more. Thank you for watching our instructional video of our e-library. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. And follow our social media accounts for more exciting updates. Until next time.